Good morning, my dear children. Myself, Miss Chelsea Rabre, and today I will be teaching you subject mathematics for standard 2nd. So students, in the last lecture, can you tell me which is the lesson that we saw? Yes, we saw expanded form of a number, right? In that lesson, we saw how to write number in its expanded form. Means, we had written a number and we had to write the number in words, and after that, we have to write the number in expanded form, right? So now let us revise that lesson in short, and after revising that lesson, we are going to start the revision of our chapters. Okay? Yes. So now let us revise that lesson in short. So students, as you can see on the blackboard, here I have written number in words and expanded form of a number, right? On the numbers place, I have written one number, that is 32, right? So students, now you have to write its place value, okay? So now tell me, what is the place value of these digit? Yes, the place value of these digit is 2, because this digit is under units place. So therefore, we will write here 2. Understood? And now tell me, what is the place value of these digit? बच्चों, अब मुझे बताओ इस डिजिट का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? Yes, the place value of this digit is 30. How? Because this digit is under tens place. So we will write 30. Understood? This is under units place. That's why I wrote here 2. This digit is under tens place. So therefore, we have written here 30. Understood? So now tell me, now how we will write this number here in words? Yes? तो बच्चों, अब मुझे बताओ, अब हम यह नंबर वर्ड्स के नीचे कैसे लिखेंगे? Yes, 30 and 2 becomes 32. Understood? So we will write here 30 and 2. Understood? Let's write. Understood? Here I have written number and here we have written its place value, and here we wrote the number in words. So now tell me how I will write this number in expanded form. तो बच्चों, अब मुझे क्या बता सकते हो? यह नंबर हम अब expanded form में कैसे लिखेंगे? Yes, 30 plus 2. Okay? 30 plus 2. So students, this is expanded form this number. Understood? So students, now we will start our revision of first and second chapter, that is, let's handle geometrical figures and fun with geometrical figures. Okay? I am taking this revision of these both lessons together because this first and second chapter is similar. Okay? So now let us start the revision of our first and chapter number 2. Okay? Yes. So students, before starting our revision, let us see one more example of expanded form of a number. Okay? See, here I have written number 41. Okay? So now tell me, what is the place value of this digit? तो बच्चों मुझे बताओ इस नंबर का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? Yes, the place value of the number digit 1 is 1 because it's in units place. And now tell me, what is the place value of this digit? Yes, the place value of the 4 is 40 because this number, this digit is under tens place. So now tell me, while writing this number in words, how we will write? Yes, we will write 40 and 1 becomes 41. So we will write 40 and 1. Understood? And while writing it in expanded form, how we will write? Yes, we will write 40 plus 1. Okay? This is expanded form of this number. Okay? See students, I have written here the expanded form of this number, that is 40 plus 1. Okay? So students, now let us start the revision. So students, now I will take revision of first and second chapter together because the first chapter and the second chapter are similar. तो बच्चों, अब हम लेने जा रहे हैं revision of first and second lesson. Okay? So students, can you tell me in the last lecture, means in the first chapter of your maths subject, can you tell me what we studied? Yes, we saw different shapes, right? Means everything around us have different shapes, right? तो बच्चों, पहले लेसन में हमने क्या पढ़ा? Yes, we saw that, मतलब हमने देखा कि हमारे आसपास बाजू में बहुत सारी चीजें होती है और उन सब चीजों की शेप अलग अलग होती है, बराबर? यस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टमाटर का शेप अलग होता है, एप्पल का शेप अलग होता है, हमारे कंपास बॉक्स का शेप अलग होता है एंड ग्लास का शेप भी अलग होता है, बराबर? यस. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द 4 shapes. They are cuboid, sphere, cylinder and yes, we are going to study 4 shapes. Okay? So now let us start with the first shape, that is cylinder. Okay? So So students, cylinder looks like this. What I'm showing you. Before that, we're going to write unit, that is revision. Okay? Revision of first and second chapter. Understood? Yes. So now we're going to study the first shape, that is cuboid. So cuboid is like this. First we have to draw a square. Okay? Then again we have to draw a square. Then we have to join its corners. See, I'm joining its corners. So students, this is a cuboid. Okay? Cuboid. When I'm writing here its spelling. This is cuboid. Understood? Yes. A cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Understood? A cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Let us see. This is our first edge. Okay? This is our second edge. This is our third. This is fourth, fifth, sixth edge, seventh edge, ninth edge, 10th edge, 11, 10, 11 and 12. So students, a cuboid has 12 edges. Understood? And it has 8 corners. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will write here 12 edges and 8 corners. A cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay? Now let us see some more examples of a cuboid. So students, this is an example of a cuboid. Okay? So bachcho, here are an example of cuboid. So this is a matchbox. Okay? So now let's count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So students, a cuboid has 12 edges. Understood? Now let's count its corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So students, a cuboid has 12 edges and 12 corners. Now let us see the second shape, that is cylinder. Okay? The second shape is cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Understood? So now let us draw cylinder on the blackboard. So students, this figure that I have drawn on the blackboard is known as a cylinder. Understood? Cylinder has that you are seeing is known as edge. That means cylinder has two edges. They are 1 and 2. So we will write here two edges. So students, can you tell me how many corners does the cylinder have? Yes, a cylinder has 0 corner. It has no corners. Understood? 0 corner. And it has one curve. That is this. This is curve. So we will write here one curve. Understood? A cylinder has two edge, no corner and one curve. I will show you one example of it. So students, as you can see in my hand, there is a talc, right? This is a powder. So students, the shape of this powder is cylinder, right? Yes. So tell me, how many edges does this powder has? Yes, this bottle has two edges. They are 1 and 2. Understood? One edge and two edge. And tell me, how many curve does this bottle have? Yes, it has only one curve. That is this. Understood? Yes. So students, now let us see the third figure, that is sphere. Understood? So we will write here sphere. So students, sphere looks like this. Understood? It is round in shape. So students, as you can see in my hand, this is a ball, right? So the shape of this ball is sphere. Understood? Always keep in mind that a sphere don't have any curve. A sphere don't have any edge, any corner. It has only a curve. Understood? It has no 0 edge and 0 corner. Understood? It is round in shape. Okay? Yes. Now we will see the fourth figure, that is cone. So students, this figure is known as cone. We will write here its spelling. In the last lecture, that is in this lecture, you must have seen what do you mean by cone, right? So this is a picture of a cone. A cone has one corner, that is this. This is corner. And a cone has only one edge. This is one edge. Understood? So this is corner and this is edge. It has one corner and one edge. Understood? One corner and one edge. So students, you must be wearing birthday party caps in a birthday party, right? Yes. So that cap also has one corner and one edge. Understood? Yes. So students, today we have studied 4 shapes. They are cylinder, cuboid, sphere and cone. Okay? Yes. And for that means in this lecture we have revised our first and second chapter, that is let's handle geometrical figures and fun with geometrical figures. Okay? And in the next lecture we are going to revise the chapter number 3rd of your maths. Okay? And for your homework of this revision, I will send you it on your mobile. Okay? Yes. Thank you.